Everybody, guess what? I'm traveling cross country with my brother-in-law, Joaquin. We are traveling outside California.
We're gonna hit Arizona maybe in an hour and a half.
I'm recording off of a laptop because my dumbass left my video camera. I took my video camera all the way to California. We stayed in a hotel last night, only to leave it with my sister. And I had two boys, 1'8" and 1'5". I told them they could play with it. So if I have another camera that's broken, you guys know why. Wish us luck, everybody, and leave some comments and stuff. Hi, Mom. Hi, everybody. What's up? Alright, just a quick update. Wait, what the hell is this? Is this gonna record on stars? Alright, stars. You know you're in the desert. Well, you can't get nothing on the radio. Go on, find something. Alright, well, here's the deal. I can't get on the internet. We've been, like, the whole way down, we've been trying to get on the internet. Joaquin has this high-tech BlackBerry stuff that's supposed to let us get online, and so far, it's not working out.
What's so far?
It's not, well, because we're on the move. We're moving. As you can see outside, it's still like wilderness. Hold on. You gotta see the mountains over there. Look at those hills and mountains. Now we're in New Mexico. We
About 140 miles from Albuquerque.
Albuquerque. It's actually a place. Wasn't that what that Bugs Bunny was all the time? Yeah, what's up, Doc? Alright, well, we passed 2 time zones, and Joaquin has been stopping at every way station because we have a decent sized truck. And
John, you got it upside down.
I don't have it upside down, bro. Alright, hold on. Wait, where's California? We're starting here, driving here, that's Arizona. Like I say, New Mexico. And we're here in New Mexico. Alright, bye-bye. You're not gonna comment, I'm gonna drive it.
Driving.
Stop. Yeah, whatever, man. I just told Joaquin, I said, look, buddy, so you can comment on the camera and talk. Come on, talk, man. Getting all shy now. Because we just uploaded a video on YouTube and all of a sudden, I already got like 150 hits, and now he's like afraid to even talk on the camera. I've been trucking here for about 40 years now. I've seen some strange things in this here road. Yes, sir.
Update, John.
What update?
Where we at?
Well, right about now, judging by the air density and quality and the wind shift and, you know, that sign up there, I guess we're in Texas. We're almost in Texas.
Yeah.
He's afraid to go on the camera now. Hi, mommy. To the road in the background. The sun's about to set. Get the mountain. That's how to get to the sunset. Like, look at that. Country, we're like a desert. Alright, we're in the middle of Texas right now. We got ourselves a hotel room, as you can see. My brother-in-law is bathing. We're about to go get some wings.
What up, my ninja? Hey, Gabe, I see you. Hey, yo, you live. What up, my ninja?